everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Supriya. In today's video, we are talking about some basic personal finance tips which are really very important in our day-to-day life. Actually, it is the best practices for managing our different saving accounts. So without further delay, let's begin. So first tip is password management of different accounts. Why password management is important? Actually, if any uncertain situation or unexpected medical condition occurs and you don't remember password of your spouse or parents' accounts, then what to do? In that case, password management is so necessary. So the question will come up, how to manage password. I will give one solution for that.
So the solution will be you just need to create one Excel sheet in the Microsoft Excel. You just need to create four types of column. First one is serial number, second one is category, third one is type of account, and fourth one is password of account. Then there are different types of category in the like saving account, demat account, ppf account, e-payment app, net banking, etc. I will create one Excel sheet for you for a demo purpose. So first category will be saving account. In that I have two types of account. First one is HDFC Bank and second one is Axis Bank. Then second category will be demat account. In that I have three options. First one is Upstocks, second one is Grow, and third one is active account. Then third option will be e-payment app. In e-payment app I have two types of apps. First one is Google Pay and second one is Phone Pay. Then fourth category will be net banking app. In that I have two types of I'm using two types of net banking. First one is HDFC and second one is Axis Bank. In that way you can create this type of sheet. After that I will say avoid using in that phone. Avoid using in phone because if mobile will be lost, data will be lost. So you can keep this sheet in home PCs, pen drive or hard disk. So in that way you can manage different types of passwords in a single sheet. So this is so important step in personal finance. I will say start creating this type of sheet and share with your spouse or your parents or in your family. So I hope so you like this sheet and you will create this type of sheet. Just you need to create one Excel and keep this password in password protected format. So this is so important for personal finance.
Second tip is account nominee. Why account nominee is important? Because if any uncertain situation happen to someone or in case of demise, then you require account nominee. Actually, what is means account nomination? Actually, nomination facility enables account holder to nominate someone else on their behalf so that if demise happen, then the nominated person claim this amount. Actually, you can add account nominee to different accounts like saving account, RDs, FDs, then PPF account, then demat account, etc. And you can do that online also. It is only 5-minute process. I will show you for HDFC Bank, and you can do that for same accounts or different accounts like Axis Bank, then IDFC Bank, etc.
After successfully logging to the HDFC net banking, then click on the request button, then click on the view nominee, then click on the continue button, fill the form, add the nominee, and in that way you are successfully updated the nominee. This is so important step in personal finance. uh,
So third tip is bank account management. What it means bank account management? Actually, it is nothing but as per your need, you need to maintain minimum number of accounts and close unnecessary accounts. Why it's so? Because if we need to maintain certain minimum balance in the account unless it is a zero balance account. And you know that bank applies certain hidden charges on the services like SMS alerts, ATM transaction, etc. So avoid using unnecessary accounts you need not require. It is also essential step of personal finance.
I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video.